Welcome to this video on artificial general intelligence. We will explore the fundamentals of AI, the evolution of its capabilities, and the horizons of future development. Artificial intelligence is evolving rapidly, moving from simple discriminative tools to complex autonomous thinkers. Modern AI is driven by machine learning, with deep learning neural networks forming the core that powers generative advancements. Currently, most systems are narrow AI, designed to execute specific tasks without the ability to transfer knowledge between different domains. We distinguish between discriminative models, which classify existing data, and generative models, which are capable of creating original content. Deep learning uses multi-layered neural networks. Information passes through input, hidden, and output layers to identify complex patterns. Transformer models utilize embedding, attention mechanisms, and feed-forward processes to capture deep contextual relationships across vast datasets. Agentic AI operates in a loop of perceiving, thinking, acting, and adapting, allowing it to pursue independent goals through continuous feedback. Advancements in multimodal and physical AI mean systems can now perceive the world through human-like senses and interact with physical spaces. Artificial general intelligence, or AGI, represents a future milestone where systems match or surpass human capabilities across all cognitive tasks. Researchers categorize AI progress using a 5-level performance scale, ranging from emerging capabilities to superhuman intelligence. Testing AGI involves evaluating cognitive performance, physical dexterity, and economic autonomy, as seen in various benchmark tests. As we develop these powerful technologies, we must balance the immense potential benefits against significant existential and societal risks. Aligning AGI with human well-being requires focusing on core values like safety, privacy, liberty, integrity, and dignity. Ultimately, our goal in building these intelligent machines is to foster a safe, prosperous future for everyone.